Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the tips how to edit your picture easily with Instagram. So this is the way I edit my photo with Instagram. So the things that you have to do now is just go open your Instagram application, and whenever you're coming into the home section, you just need to slide the screen into the right side until you come into the story section. And in this story section, you just need to go into the photo library to import some photo to be edited. And for example, I would like to edit this photo, and now I would like to make a blurry effect for this photo. So you just need to go click slide your upper screen here downside, so there will be a pop-up being like this, and you can adjusting how much blur that you want to apply into the photo. For example, I would like to do it this, and I will just go screenshot this part, and here we go, we already got it. And now you just need to go click it and crop the specific part of the picture, and after that you just need to go click done and save two photos. And now you just need to go click back and choose the photo, and now you just need to go click this part, and after that you just need to scrolling down until you found this. And now you just input in the original photo and then just click it until you got the square. And now you just need to adjusting the size right here and add this small emoji. So let's just add the emoji here, let's say love, and add this. Now click done, positioning the love emoji in the down part. And whenever you're done with everything, you just need to go click these three small dots right here and go click save. And let's check either we already have it or not. So here we go, we already have this picture that already edited by the Instagram application. So that's the way, that's the tips to edit your photo with only Instagram application. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you guys. So don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video.